In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Huntington Bank online. It's a straightforward process that ensures you have quick and secure access to manage your finances anytime you need. Let's walk through it step by step, and by the end of this guide, you'll be comfortable logging into your Huntington Bank account efficiently. First, grab your device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or phone, and launch your preferred web browser. The web browser is your gateway to accessing the Huntington Bank's website and ultimately your online account. With your browser open, type in the Huntington Bank website URL and press enter. Allow the page a moment to load and you'll be greeted by Huntington's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the login button, which is your next destination. Click on this button to initiate the login process. This action will lead you to a dedicated login page where you'll be required to enter your credentials. Now it's time to input your username or customer ID. This is the unique identifier associated with your banking profile. Carefully type in your username, making sure every character is correct to avoid any access issues. Accuracy here is key in ensuring that you can access your account without any hitches. Next, move on to the password field. Enter your password with equal precision. Your password is your key to your secure financial information, so make sure you enter it exactly as you set it up. If you're in a private setting, take your time, but be quick if you're in a public space to maintain your security. Once both your username and password are accurately entered, the login button on the screen becomes your friend once more. Go ahead and click it to proceed. This will start the login verification process. In some cases, especially if it's a new device or location, you may be prompted to enter a security code. This extra step is part of Huntington Bank's measures to keep your account secure. The security code is typically sent to your registered phone number or email address, so check your messages or email for this code. Once you've received it, type the code in the required field on the web page and complete your login. And there you have it, you've successfully logged into your Huntington Bank account online. Remember, keeping your credentials secure is crucial, so avoid saving passwords on shared devices and always log out when you're done with your banking session. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy banking!